Okay, my name is Joseph. I give a small introduction about me. I have around 30 years of experience in design. So I started my career as a printing and publishing executive. 8 years I worked on that domain, mainly print and web. Then I joined Adobe as a domain expert in print and web in 2004. Adobe started on development center in Noida, Delhi. So I worked Adobe around 17 and a half years. And within that period of time, I worked in different products like Photoshop, XD, Flash, and several products I worked. I also invented a lot of innovations. I have got issued three patents from US Patent Office. Several defensive publications and publications I publish. You can also verify my LinkedIn profile. I will attach my profile in this below this video, or you can see the link above. Then how to study the Photoshop. Photoshop is a very complex project, not easy and simple project. So that's why a lot of people are learning the Photoshop from an instructor because it's not an easy and simple software. But if you want to Figma and XD, I'm not saying that there is no instructor is not good. You can learn the Figma or XD or other software. But this software little bit complicated. But I'm guaranteed you are come on the right place. I'm one of the engineer of this product. Again, I am one of the expert in this area. And how to study this product, Photoshop. What you need to do, you need to watch a complete video. Once you watch the complete video, you can practice using Photoshop. Don't do executive run the video parallelly. You should not practice the Photoshop because you will be miss something. And I will explain everything in a short videos, 5 to 10 minutes. So if you have a 10 minutes together, you can watch. You will get one feature or two feature at it. Then second thing, you must have a lot of doubts. I will reply to all your doubts. You want to, I will share one Discord channel here. You can send your request to your Discord channel with PNG or JPG. Don't attach a PST or record the video and send to me. Surely I will reply to you. The same thing you can do every video. You can reviews and comments. You can do that. You can send the request. I will send the answers for each people curious. The third big thing is I will share the WhatsApp number. You can see the WhatsApp number in this below this video. I will share my number. You can also chat with me in the WhatsApp. So these are the three communication channels I am giving to you. You can communicate to me anytime. And another thing is, see, I am an expert on this area, domain, and engineering and everything. You come to the right place. I can explain very details everything. I'm not only explaining about what is Photoshop. I'm explaining what are the engineering behind the Photoshop and what to do with each and every step. So you can clearly understand why it is designed and how it is designed and what are the features for all the details I'll explain clearly. So thank you for watching this introduction and please go through very neatly and correctly and systematically to learn the Photoshop. Thank you for